Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So we would be looking at EURJPY. So let me first start with what happened last week. The fundamental first. On Friday, um, I think rates. BOJ decided to leave the rate at negative 0.10. One of the reasons why we can see a massive bullish move on all JPY pairs due to the fact that JPY was actually dropping. JPY was dropping. Of course, any other pairs you are trading to JPY needs to give you a bullish move. So since JPY was dropping, then we expect a bullish move on Euro to JPY. A same thing with GBP to JPY to Swiss franc to JPY. Every other JPY pair, so we expect a bullish move. Now we can also see last week Euro pairs literally give us a good amount of a bullish move, massive bullish move. Due to the fact that the main refinance, I will call it the interest rates, by the way, simple terms, interest rate was actually increased. I think it was increased to 4.00, right? I mean 4.25. I've forgotten right now, but it was increased, right? When it increases, that is one of the reasons why euro pairs actually went up. So we saw it Thursday bullish move, Friday bullish move. Now this week we would continue that bullish move. So more uptrend is to come. So I know many of you might be saying, "Oh, this price has given us this amount of a good bullish move and every other thing," but unfortunately, we would be expecting more bullish move. So JPY we still drop more. JPY has more to drop. I mean, when you take a look at the interest rates, you see that Euro has an higher interest rate compared to JPY. Of course, we expect the big financial institution to buy more of Euro since it has. They are very much likely to gain more. They are very much likely to see more interest rates compared to JPY. Of course, we expect with that more uptrend move is to come on Euro JPY. Now, if you have to roll down to the 4 hour, 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see this is an uptrend move. Like you always say, trade with the trend and not against the trend. Simple thing. Do not look for a way to sell. Just look for an opportunity to buy. Probably at a level 154.560 should be a level to buy within this level, right? So it is up to you that can decide where you would want to take your buy. All you just have to do, wait for a correction, and guess what? You continue the impulse movement upward. Like I've seen, more uptrend move on Euro JPY for this week. Now, if you're interested in high probability trade, probably you're having some trouble growing up your account or whatever, and you're interested in high win rates trade. All you just have to do is subscribe to our Patreon channel. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, subscribe. There we'll be putting out some information, some setup, and every other thing you would definitely need. You'll be able to take the trade with us. And also, if you are, we'll be putting the link to some of those trades we took last week. And one of those trades we took last week was GBP JPY. We covered it, why we'll be taking such trade. We explain it because we were expecting the BOJ to actually leave interest rate at 0.10. With that, JPY needs to fall, right? So we actually took a buy on GBP JPY on Friday, which we actually made about 250 pips. We grabbed 250 pips. This week also we'll be expecting more movement. So if you are interested in more high probability trade, all you just have to do is sign up to our Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section.